Hello YouTube, and welcome back. This is something new that we've added to the HO layout. This is my Ravenna Central HO scale engine log. This has information about all our locomotives here, their numbers, classifications, and operational status. Under the other column there, these are either certain conditions that an engine will need, or pieces to be reattached on engines that need repairing. So we'll just bring it down the list here. So yeah, at the moment, that has a list of all our engines here, and as I said, it does have the operational status. So if you guys want to see what is running here and what is not, I will post updates on the log every once in a while, and it will just be an added feature so you can know what engines are running, and check this system out for my new HO car repair shop as well. Thanks for watching.